Hi, I'm Rich, WB5YBZ. You know, I like to talk to people all over the world using a ham radio. Now, ham radio, you have to have a license, and most major cities have amateur radio operators that will give you tests so you can pass your amateur radio license test. You have books out there, it has all the answers to the questions. You just study for them and go down and take the test, and most people pass it at least the first time, if not the second. Another thing, I'm just using an antenna as far as just a wire antenna, no big tower or anything like that, but I'm talking all over the world right now. So let's go on over. I want to show you just a few of the people I've talked to, and thanks so much for watching. If you could give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel, that helps me out a whole bunch. Thanks so much.
Kilowatt 8 Alpha, Whiskey Bravo 5, Yankee Bravo Zulu.
What's your last letter, Yankee Bravo what?
Zanzibar.
Zanzibar. Okay, well, you got a good signal, 5 and 8 into Central Ohio today.
Yeah, you're 5-9 into Oklahoma City. Sounding good here.
Okay, thanks for Oklahoma. November, Juliet Sierra, Marine Mobile.
Okay, wow, Marine Mobile. Okay, that's great. I didn't catch all your sign. I got an 8, and that's all I got. This is Whiskey Bravo 5, Yankee Bravo Zanzibar in Oklahoma City. Could you come back with your call sign? Over.
Yeah, the call is Whiskey 8, November, Juliet Sierra, and we are Marine Mobile. We're on a 22-foot pontoon boat up here in Ohio, on a lake in Ohio, about 60 miles north and west of Dayton, Ohio, and my handle is Jerry, Japan Echo Radio Yankee, and you got a 5x9 plus signal up here, over.
QTH again, so I get it on recording there, Mike. Victor Alpha 6, Mike Bravo, WB5, YBZ.
Whiskey Bravo 5, Yankee Bravo Zulu, this is Victor Alpha 6, Mike Bravo. Mike out of Cold Lake, Alberta. Your signal report, Rich, you're doing about 5.657. Cold Lake, my QTH, a small city in the northeastern part of our province.
W0EBN, WB5, YBZ.
Yeah, thank you very much. The name here is Doc, Delta Oscar November. And I have you at about actually a good solid 5 and 9 here in Florence, Kentucky, Kilowatt Yankee.
My call is Hotel Alpha 5 Japan India. Hotel Alpha 5 Japan India. We have contact before. 7-3, good luck to you.
QSL, Rich, yeah, my name is Willie, Whiskey India, Lima Yankee. You found 9+5 in California. Yeah, we work many times on 20 meters. 1, 2, 3, 4 during contest, and then 2 regular contacts on 2021 QSL.
Okay, QSL, you're up to date on that. That's great. Now you're still in Whiskey Bravo 5, Yokohama, Bravo Zanzibar.
Roger, Whiskey Bravo 5, Yankee Bravo Zulu. This is Echo America 5 Golf returning. 5x6, 5x7, 5x8, you signal report in Alicante, Spain. Back to you, Whiskey Bravo 5, Yankee Bravo Zulu, Echo America 5, Guatemala, over.
Okay, very fine. You're 5'6" to 5'8", 5'6" to 5'8" into Oklahoma City.
Roger, Whiskey Baker 5, yesterday Bravo Zulu from Kilowatt, Delta 2, Romeo Papa Delta, KD2 RPJ. Name here is Joe, Juliet Oscar Echo. I'm in Southern New Jersey, QSL.
Okay, QSL 59+, Oklahoma City. My friend, the name is Carlos, located in Costa Rica, Central America, over.
Roger, Carlos. You're sounding so strong, about 10 over S9 in Oklahoma City, sounding very strong. I know other people are calling you Carlos. The name here is Rich, Radio India Charlie Hotel. And how's the weather over there, over?
Yeah, Oklahoma. We have yesterday a little bit of raining not too much anyway. The temperature dropping down a little bit in the last 3 weeks.
because we are in the autumn range like you the same. Whiskey Bravo 5, Yankee Bravo Zulu, India, Whiskey 3, India Bravo Kilo, over.
Roger, Roger. This is Victoria Echo 2 Mike Sierra Whiskey. Operator is Mike, and located at Quebec City, Canada. You're 5757 Quebec City, Roger.
Roger, Mike. V2MSW, WB5YBZ, AI4SR, WB5, YBZ.
I think Richard is the name. I guess I just went ahead and put you in there too. Is that I sold the business about 10 years ago, I guess. So now fully retired. I put 30 in with IBM Corporation, and then got into the racing business, and we had raced quite a bit earlier, so that's how I got involved in that.
Well, I always have fun talking on the radio and meet new people. I've got a lot of friends on ham radio now, and it just brings the world to you, so to speak. Hopefully you'll get your license before too long. If you Google ham radio clubs, a lot of people are just so friendly, and they'll help you to get started and tell you what you need to do. Radios aren't that expensive, especially the used ones, and there are really some good used ones out there anymore. If you could, I'd sure appreciate a big thumbs up, or maybe subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching.